Hello, everyone, and welcome to a quick scan session with me, Ben, and Raffa. It's been a while. Hey, Raffa, how you doing?
Hey Ben, a good new year to you and to everyone. I'm doing good. What about you? How was your holiday?
Very relaxing, I might say. So, yeah, no, I'm excited to get back into the game and see if we can make back the big loss that we had just before we ended the year on an absolute downer. That was a
Yeah,
bad trade. But it was purely time based because if you had more time, then obviously you would have been able to manage it better. But yeah, that's the game that we're playing today. Where I think Soda said it to me, said it once, like it's a little bit of trading with a gun against your head. You will trade in this hour. Yes, I will trade in this hour. You will find positions.
nice. Let's
um,
see how 2026 unfolds.
yeah, exactly. I see that Soda's here already. Sven is here. That's nice. Let us know if you're here in the chat. Participate. We always enjoy it. And let's see if we can get some trades today. Okay, so let me go over it for people that are new or have forgotten what we're doing. We're using the Ultrady Quick Scanner. Our settings are on Binance Futures. Doesn't matter if you're using a different types of futures. You can use 2-bit, buy a Bitmart, Bybit. If you want to do this, you can do this. Setting to the 15-minute time frame, meaning any drop or rise in the last 15 minutes, the scanner will pick up and notify us if it's with a 3% rise or drop. And then our strategy is based on the Bollinger Band and stochastic and RSI. Let me just remove, this is my favorites. I don't need that. So we will use these indicators. And for our take profits, we will use the smart money concept indicator by Ultrady to see if we can sell on fair value gaps. Why? Because we can. And in the past, it's been proven to increase our profits a little bit because the fair value gaps are a little bit higher than, or can be a little bit higher than where you would normally sell using this strategy. All right, so let's get started. Wow, we get the guns out here already. That's a crazy move. Hello. Now we're on the 1 minute chart. Let's switch back to 3 minutes. And we can see that this is not overbought yet. You could say, well, why not? Because this one's going crazy. But yeah, these are interesting ones. Oh yeah, I wanted to go to isolated. Let's see if that. I might have to change it for every market. That would be annoying. So, how was your Christmas holidays?
My Christmas holiday was good. I made some pizza at home. First time I'm trying to taste some homemade pizza and was not that bad. And yeah, overall, yeah, I rest a lot, so it was quite relaxing time. And yeah, let's see how this 2026 starts.
Yeah.
I hope that 2025 was a profitable year for everyone, but
For
since
our
even
quick
the
scanner account,
sentiment is negative, but yeah.
for our quick scanner account, it was profitable,
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
even though we
Or
threw away a large chunk of it at the end of the year. But you know what?
yeah, yeah.
Sometimes you
Just because,
sometimes you have to
yeah,
give
yeah.
away.
Yeah, that's normal. I mean, it's the part of the game, as you say. Just because I see a lot of resignation recently among retail traders and like in general market mood. But in moment like this, there is the strongest rallies that tend to happen. So let's see on 2026. But the sentiment is quite negative. right now. But our strategy with QuickScan, it was profitable the last year. So we're gonna replace and replicate it this year as well.
Yep, for sure we are. So you said you were making homemade pizza.
Oh yeah.
What is your preferred style of pizza?
Mm,
As an
uh,
Italian, you're an Italian guy. What is your preferred style?
that is the trap question. And of course,
You
I
can
have.
say Chicago deep dish if you want.
Okay, so listen very carefully. Look, the only pizza that it's really called pizza is margherita. So tomato and mozzarella. That's it. That is the pizza. Everything you put over it is just an evolution of that.
A pie, as the Americans call it.
You don't dare.
But
Sorry.
are you going for the Neapolitan style or for the Roman style?
Oh no, 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 no. Naples style forever.
Neapolitan.
I, I can see that you are quite you have quite strong knowledge on that.
Oh yeah, I have my own pizza stone oven at home.
Oh,
I
like
make
with fire, real fire
wood
inside.
fired, wood fired. Yes.
Okay, I will
Just-
wait for your invitation for next Christmas.
Yeah. Well, you have to tell me in advance because obviously the dough needs to be made in advance. You can't just slap the dough on in the morning and or as some people do half an hour before. No, 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 no,
Wow,
no, no,
wow,
no.
wow! You are quite into it.
You need at least 24 hours. As Sven
Wow.
says, a sourdough recipe. Sven knows as well. It shows.
Oh my god, you are more Italian than me, Ben.
No, I wouldn't know
You,
that. This market, I do like a short, but we're gonna have to be careful because it is crazy. Because we were talking about pizzas, but in the meantime, I am trying to scalp this trade, and I can tell you that I do feel a little bit anxious and nervous today to see if I can still get it because I was on a roll and then I took like almost 3 week break of this style of trading. But I do like it. Let's remove these and let's add an extra target. Can we find a nice target? Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah, we'll go for it. I think. No, it's still not red.
price is in a 8-hour fair value gap right now. Sveni Bass say.
In a 4 hour fair value gap, is it a bullish or a bearish one? That's the question.
I mean, we have the 15 minutes fair value gap open now,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And the 4 hour.
You know what? I'm just gonna risk it for the biscuit. Let's see if we can get a fill. Okay, looks like we got the fill. Bearish. Well, that's what we want to know. A bearish fair value gap. All right. First position in. 2286. That's an early liquidation. Oh, I need to be careful with this. Yeah, I'm gonna get liquidated in that's the price you pay for doing isolated, I suppose, with 20x leverage. Maybe I need to reduce the leverage then. We don't need this much large. Let's do 5. Oh, we can't now. Not enough margin.
for
Oh well. But that means that this one is not going to be hit, so we need to move this quite significantly lower in order to stay in. Mm-hmm. Perhaps we just need to leave it at crossed. I'll change it back. Yeah. Otherwise, there's going to be too many things to pay attention to, and I don't want to do that. Now, this is what we call a nice first bit. Now we can see the stochastic is moving down, crossover. It was outside of the Bollinger Band. Oh, by the way, for the viewers, I was just showing Raffa a new scanner that I was working on. And I actually launched it for testing purposes today, which means that maybe if I can work out all the initial bugs, maybe I can use it next week in the live stream. That doesn't mean that you will be able to use it anytime soon, but at least I will be able to use it. And then build that anticipation for you guys. So that you want to use it as possible as well. Or maybe it's just going to be a big flop and it doesn't work and we're not going to get any positions. Could also be, but I don't think that that's the case. I already saw one today. It was Kite. On Kite. I don't know if I can probably pick it there. Yeah, I was just watching it and I got an alert here. Literally got the alert here. And I was watching it and then a few candles later, boom, it did that. So that's promising.
So the beta version is already working very well.
One part of it. Okay, so that's our second buy, and hopefully not the liquidation that we were getting. 231. So this will be our new liquidation price. So we need to make sure that we. Yeah, that's going to be a kind of a problem, but. How much margin have we used? 5. Ayesta's asking, is this the stop of crypto coiners day trading strategy? Yes, it is fairly similar. I mean, we use the same indicators, but the exact entries and exits might differ slightly, or the execution of this might slightly differ as well. But yes, in essence, it's the same type of strategy. Let's switch to the 1 minute, just because we can see better what the price will do. This looks a little bit like a continuation pattern on the 1 minute, but I mean,
yeah, it's forming like a double top, but there is no short strength yet.
I mean, this looks like a ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. We could see the breakout here, and I think as I kind of like messed up this trade a little bit, we might just put the stop loss in before the liquidation. Yeah, let's do that. Technically, I can do one more buy. Let's do one more buy, but it has to be there. And then the stop loss, we'll have to see after that what the liquidation price will be. Just like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you. Thinking we would do this until we could do it. Each and every high, every.
So, what is your expectation for the new year, Ben, about the crypto and Bitcoin? First of all,
I think we're going to be seeing a lot more downward movement for the next few months. Maybe you get some bounces here or there, but the majority, the big trend will definitely be downwards. And for my investment style portfolio, I'm waiting for that to happen. Really, I'm not even DCAing yet. This is not the point to do DCAing yet.
So we need to be very careful in the coming month, especially January and February is always a struggle period.
Yeah, they do say a little bit like January sets the year. So if January is, if we can close that in profit, then it's a good year. Historically, that's
statistically, yeah, I have read that too, but statistics doesn't work because works at the moment, but tomorrow is already a new statistic, so only the past works.
Exactly. Yeah. So that's the case, but at the moment everything is still rising on the traditional markets.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that seems like that there's also a kind of top forming there. Yeah, you see this nice continuation pattern happening. I don't think that this is going to be the trade for us today, but
maybe we can close at break even. We can close it at break
even. Hopefully we can manage it properly. I won't do another rebuy or a resell after this. So this is it. If this one hits, then we'll check what that should have been hit. Yeah, exactly. We'll check what the liquidation price is right now. It didn't give us a lot of room. Here. So that means that we'll set our stop loss just below that. And actually, I will sell
correction phase.
This means profit, so okay. No. Stop loss. Stop loss here. And yeah. Let's see if we can sell 50 now, then we might be able to rebuy it back. Right, so this should have changed our liquidation price. Let's see if it does. Oh no, liquidation price stays the same because we sold at break even. Yeah, but at least we have more funds now again. to continue. But if we continue like this, we don't have to. Because if we can do that now, where we do another one, like here again, that will definitely move our liquidation price. I mean, it's moving towards this middle line, so that's. I'm hoping that it then turns into the downward move, because you see it's now dying off a bit. So this part, this ascending triangle, it did push through, but it's not sustaining, right? So this trend was broken. So this move is now invalidated. So this one is not valid anymore. It's not going to go from this breakout. It's not going to go back to that again. At least that's unlikely.
We could see a correction soon.
Yeah, so right now, so what we had last time as well, the banner with this one, let's set this to futures open. Oh yeah, the banner. Yeah, we don't have a full profit yet, but you can see the profit like this because we're only doing one trade at the moment. I think like it's a good thing that we're starting slow, not managing 5 positions at the same time.
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
This position is a lot more interactive, right? We've already got four trades.
Yeah, 4 entries.
And I'm taking it conservative. Right, so this is what we were waiting for.
Nice candle.
Hopefully it can break through instead of bounce off. Obviously, there's a high chance that it's going to bounce off, but this is indeed the 1 minute candle. But we took the trade on the 3 minute. I'm just using the 1 minute now to just to see a little bit more of the price action. Otherwise, you just see one single candle move up and down for 3 minutes. It's, I don't know. Mentally, it's just a little bit boring to watch. At least if you ask me. Yeah, so we're gonna remove the target, and we're gonna lock in the profits like that. We're not gonna make this into a loss.
Nice.
And in case you haven't noticed, this order, this stop loss market order, is now in the open state. And previously this was in the pending state always, but now since recently we've changed it so that it's now actually on the exchange. If you were looking on the exchange, you would see the order there as well. And previously, when in the pending state, it wouldn't be. Which means that we have a little bit faster execution of the stop loss. So if my stop loss gets hit, then the slippage is a little bit less, which for scalping is quite nice. But yeah, what I was trying to say is that you had this sharp move up, and then you got this the scalping setup was on the 3 minutes, and then you have the sharp move up, and then you can see this. It's slowing down. The price move is slowing down, which is usually a good indicator for a reversal. Usually.
Yeah, tops are getting lower.
Yeah.
Actually, your technical analysis is quite skilled, Ben. I need to take note. Look at that. The price is following exactly your prediction, your forecast.
Yeah, well, it was like going down below the Bollinger Band middle line.
Yeah.
Hopefully, if it can break out of the bottom, that would be even better.
Oh, so you expect breakdown out the Bollinger Bands on
Yeah,
the down band?
yeah, I would expect. So you get this move, so I would expect something like this to happen at some point. We might see some more sideways movement, but at the moment we're doing okay.
The right place.
And slowly locking in the profits, right? Because we are scalping, we're not doing like investment style
Positioning.
trading.
Mhm.
So I will move along with the middle line now. Because it's right now we're below the Bollinger Band middle line, which means that if I get my so now the expectation would be to have something like this happen. All right, so it's going to touch the middle line.
Yeah.
Hopefully, if we have okay, well, I'll just draw a straight line. Let's say the Bollinger Band will be like this, then hopefully we could get some breakout here as well, and then we could look for a reversal maybe.
So going to touch the moving average, stay there a little bit, and maybe get down again.
How is it looking on the 3 minute? Oh, look, fair value gap formed on the 15 minutes.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
And we have a middle line here on the 3 minutes, so that's probably where this one is going to go, and I will set up my profit there. If we get a quick drop, then I don't want to be left out.
Vivan right now, Ben is doing 1 minute scalp, 1 minute candle, no, 3 minutes candle scalp.
Currently it's 3, yeah, but we were looking at the 1 minute as well, just because it's you see a little bit more movement there.
More reactive, so between 3 minutes and 1 minute. I mean, lower, you can go lower 1 minute, like 30 seconds. No.
You can, we have it.
Oh, okay. We have, yeah, but I mean,
but what are you going to see? Like, you're not going to see much of that.
you only see jump scare.
We don't have the history. So you can set it to 1 minute and then it's or 1 second, and then you see
1 second. Oh wow.
Who trades this? It's fun to watch. Look at it. The patterns still work, right? Break out of the Bollinger Band, going up. Break out of the Bollinger Band, going down. It works.
Oh my God.
But the problem with these is that the width is just too narrow that you can't. Yeah, your trading fees will far outweigh like the profit that you could make. So yeah, we're not gonna do that. Stop loss is still good.
So let's say for scalping 5 minutes and 3 minutes chart time frame is the best, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't in crypto. I wouldn't go any lower. Actually, it doesn't make sense. Like even a minute is questionable. I mean, we are watching the 1 minute, right? We're not actively trading the 1 minute per se, because this entry was based on the 3 minutes. We can go back to the 3 minutes. You can see that it was here when the price of the Bollinger Band was out. It was outside of the Bollinger Band. Stochastic was oversold or overbought, and it started to show that reversal sign. That's what we based our first entry on. Now we were wrong, and the price went up, but because this strategy allows for rebuys, we bought it, or for re-entries or increasing the position. We sold a little bit more, and we sold a little bit more, and then the price started to drop down. Now I did do a safety sell because I needed some extra funds in order to protect my liquidation, which is exactly what I did. But now we are in break-even mode, so I don't want to lose the profit that I've already made. Hence, we have moved the stop loss down. Now, this is a very big sideways movement, so I'm gonna be moving the stop loss down even further, just because this is that same pattern, right? So even on the 1 minute, this is still the same pattern where you see this, and then you see, no, not the arc. Can we just do curve and star that like so? And now you see it slow down, right?
Anyways, the trade is locked, so
The trade is locked. The trade is in profit. We are on a good start, and it's even entering the 50-minute fair value gap. But preferably, we would like to see it dip out of the Bollinger Band. Actually, I'd like to see the middle line. Well, you see the middle line is now moving up, so that's a tricky part. We might have to lock in our profit a little bit earlier. But the fair value gap was formed on this candle, so between this one and this one, I suppose. So yeah, that's why we're not using this one as our take profit target, because at this point in time, this fair value gap wasn't there yet. This is the fair value gap on 3 minutes. See on the 15 minutes, yeah, you see this was the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. You see, this is what I mean. You're just looking at a candle that is moving within the same thing but here you can see a little bit more. And it's also the case that when you're trading the 3-minute candles, you still see on every minute candle close, you still see a little bit of a spike, a little bit of a reaction, especially when support and resistance on a minute candle or on a minute chart is also broken. Like here, you would see a reaction if this level breaks, or if let's say here this level breaks, then you would see a stronger reaction on the minute candle. If the candle closes in a certain yeah, like this. You see, this is the minute, new candle, and now we're out.
Incredible precision.
Yeah, not the direction that we've hoped, but like I said, we reduce or we set the stop loss lower, so that we lock in our profits a little bit better, because you saw this move and then a slowdown. And then there's a high probability that you're going to see some kind of reaction. It can be, in this case, it was the upside, but it could also be the downside, right? But if it's the downside, you're fine, because then you just get profit. If it's the upside and you still have your stop loss at a high place, yeah, then you're losing out on profits. And as we're doing quick trading, we don't want to stay in a position for that long. It could still go down. Like, there's no way to guarantee that it's now going to go up. But we're out. We're going to be looking for another one. No, we're going to switch back to 3 minutes, because entering on a 1 minute is a little bit tricky. I mean, markets are going up.
Yeah. There is a recovery.
Let's see if we can find the long.
Anyways, first trade of 2026, 0.73% in profit. So good start for you, Ben. Good start.
Thanks. We've got some fair value gaps right here. That's nice to see. RSIs are moving in the right directions. Can we get something here? Oh, we definitely don't want that much. Just waiting for this one to go below.
Is that 2KB? I can't see that well. Oh, Z. Is that 2 or is Z?
The name of the coin?
Yeah, I can't see. It's like
ZK Pass.
okay, pass.
So this could be our next trade. Outside of the Bollinger Band. RSI low, stochastic almost there. We're gonna see a candle close, so we need to pay attention now. Because we do want to get in. We do want to get in early. Just because we're doing the rebuy strategy now, so we want to get in early. Set that at the middle line. So one. Yeah, it's okay. We've got our sizing correct now. Candle almost closed. We're seeing that recovery, so I'm actually going to enter. Yeah. And we'll have the
Right.
we'll have the
rebound
ready.
It's gonna be a quick rebound. 5-10 minutes.
Okay. You can see the recovery on the minute already happening. Do we have any? No, probably not. No. No targets here. I mean, a target here would be nice, but let's check. That open. So right now, what we're doing, we're setting our next buy significantly lower because this market has already shown quite a little bit of volatility, right? We already saw large spikes, so that this level would be reached, definitely possible, right? Even let's look at the 4 hour. Where are we here? Oh, nice new market. Yeah, you see, so there's a lot of room to go here.
It's quite risky for another long. What do you think?
It is quite
I
risky.
mean,
Also,
I would rather enter short.
It's a new market.
Yeah, I will rather go short if we reach the take profit.
Did I mess up the sizing? No. It's just that at which point will you lock in the profits? I mean, this is a nice target. I think I'm going to lower these ones because these are the support resistance line.
Definitely, that is the perfect target for take profit move there.
Okay. Let's go. Make it the quick one, please. I'd love a 6-minute trade. I'd love it. That would be a nice start of the year if you can get one of those.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, technically, we can also look for another long. Let's switch to
Mm,
30. Nope, it's not there yet. Ooh. Yeah, that one is. I like
yeah.
nice uptrend. Yeah, I think I'm
Yeah.
gonna. That's
Price action looks beautiful here. Like
yeah.
up, like down, like up, like down. Nice swings. Maybe not too beautiful for a scalping session, but yeah, maybe we can have a quick response.
Yeah,
Perhaps.
just gonna go for it.
Yes.
Okay, 2 trades.
So I forgot, did you trade during a holiday, Ben, or you just leave your workstation and I'll trade you there? And you did other stuff, didn't watch monitor at all?
I really took a break from anything on my laptop. Really, yeah. So no, I went to the UK um,
Oh.
with my family,
Mhm.
and yeah, we really had an English Christmas there, and yeah, it was
Where
fun.
have you been to? To London or my
No,
country?
my parents-in-law, they live in the north of England,
Ah, okay, nice.
so it was just a small town in England
Mm.
near the border of Scotland.
Oh, beautiful
Like
place, beautiful
it's like
place.
an hour or so drive away from there, which
Mm.
you know, in English terms, it's or UK terms, that's not that far of a drive, but for for a Dutch person, an hour drive is a quite significant drive. You'll be on the other side of the country here, but in England, not. Gun. Yeah. Hmm? Oh, that was an old trade. Yeah. I was wondering, I just got a notification saying that we've bought gun, but no, that was on my other account that's also listening to the trades of this account. It's so handy. So yeah, that was my Christmas holiday, but it was good. Sometimes you just need to take a break from a screen. Helps your eyes as well.
Absolutely. I mean, definitely is the best decision choice to make. So you refresh your eyes, your energy, everything.
Yeah, I
Then
mean,
you get
I like to get absolutely super bored during holidays, so that you're almost like, okay, now I want to go back to work.
back.
Like I'm done with this now. This is going slow. Let's see. This is a nice extra target. Just this low. I mean, this is such retail trading, isn't it? Buying on the support and resistance. Can hardly call this smart trading, but it doesn't mean that you can't be profitable. It's all about managing your risk and yeah, playing the markets as they come. Oh, yeah. So here we have a nice. Oh, well, that was the 50-minute fair value gap. So if it's not gonna touch that now. This one is already used because this one was created here, I suppose. Yeah, this one. So now there's a higher chance of it actually taking out this. If it goes up, it'll take out this one. Because there should be quite a few stop losses right here.
Mm-hmm.
So people that have entered the short right here, they would have placed their stop loss here.
Mm-hmm.
So someone that is hunting the stop losses, they would be targeting this area right now.
So it's attracting the price like a magnet.
Exactly. Just like this level here. This level is also like attracting a magnet for the price, and here magnet for the price, like this area right here. Actually, maybe I should just put it like below that, as I'm saying it. Because we like price magnets, especially the ones that we consider interesting. And we call them points of interest. Like this 50-minute fair value gap is a nice point of interest. And what has the people in the chat been doing? Have they been trading? Have you been trading? Have you made any trades? You took a break? Were you able to step away?
Just enjoying Ben doing trading.
Did you do any live stream still, or is this your first live stream?
Yeah.
Nice. We're both getting back in the game.
yeah. First week of the new year. I mean, I'm also doing live trading right now on the other screen, so I'm both watching you, Ben, and my screen.
Oh, what are you trading?
I'm doing some personal trade as well, so yeah.
Yeah, why not? I mean, this is the time. Thursday afternoon, all TV channel, live trading.
So I guess everyone here in the chat is doing trading, not only me and you.
Sven is slowly getting back to trading after not trading at all during the holidays. Well, that's good. That's good. And Soda is just trading Ethereum entries. That's a much more relaxed way of trading, I suppose. Just focusing on one market. Set your alerts. Watch a film in the meantime if you're doing this on a day, on a daily thing, or just do your work or whatever you want to do in the time.
Watch the movie Margin Call. Masterpiece.
The Big Short.
The Big Short.
Wolf of Wall Street, also good.
Yeah. And of course, Donnie Darko.
Oh yeah. Quite a few trading films out there. We see the price magnet moving.
Very slow.
This one is like, it's about to make a move. And Soda's watching us not to lose track of the markets. Yeah. Soda, have you been practicing with the smart money concept at all? You've been following us quite some time now, and Sven was at the meetup, so interesting to hear if your smart money concept, practices. If you have been practicing, how's it going? We've got something nice planned for this year about the smart money concept as well, where we'll be. So right now you've seen me do the back tests mostly, but I will in the near future also show you every day, or at least almost every day, how I do this with the live markets. So, and it's going to be new for me as well. So if it's going to be new for you, it's going to be new for me. So we'll be in the same position, but you'll be able to follow along with me and do some trade planning, because that's going to be important now for the next step, that we plan our trades in advance. Right now, today, we're not planning our trades at all. We're just seeing what we get, and we just YOLO into it based on a strategy that in the last year has proven to be very profitable. But with the smart money concept, it's very much planned risk management, consistency, and that.
So you plan your trade in live?
No, I will record it in the morning, and then the video will be available the same day, hopefully. With my analysis of the market and where I'd be looking for entries and exits, and then discuss if I took the entry or was able to take the entry, because it's going to be like my real journey towards trading. Right? It's not going to be. I'm not going to be showing you only the successful trades. That's not what it's going to be. Wow. If I'm going to fail, I'm going to fail. Right? But my track history or my track record on the back test, I think, is good enough that I should be able to do it. It's just about the discipline, making sure that I can do this. That's the next hurdle that I need to get over. And most likely I will fail quite a few times and lose a little bit of real money. But that's, I think, necessary in order to learn a new strategy and to progress into a strategy. You need to be able to deal with losses and continue with it. Like I've shown that in the backtest this week, where I entered the trade maybe a bit too prematurely, but they were valid entries. And then they got stopped out. And then I just continued on, because it's easy in the backtest. You just move on, right? You shake it off, you move on, and you get into the next possible entry. And then it worked, and then you get out in profit. But that's harder. That's harder to do in real life than it is in the backtest. So that's something that we're going to have to learn. And I hope a lot of you will learn that with me in these new series of videos. Sven was just started backtesting with smart money concept, different results, still learning. Well, if you need a little bit of help with that, also join our Discord and show your chart to Roman, and he will say, okay, according to my analysis here, I think that you need to wait for something like this to happen. Like, I don't know exactly, but he will be able to give you some pointers and say, okay, maybe this is something that you just need to change, and you'll see better results. Obviously, when I do the backtest, I have Roman in my ear saying, well, hold on a minute. Have you considered that we're now entering a weekly fair value gap and the price might return? It's like, oh yeah, good point. So things like that can have different results on your backtests. So make use of Roman while he's there and show him your chart. Soda says, definitely want to start implementing smart money concept. At the moment, I'm still struggling with it because my portfolio is growing way faster than my emotions are able to handle trading.
Great comment. I love it.
That's a luxury problem. That's a luxury. But no, it's true. It is true.
Yeah, yeah, it's so true, but it's very rare case that so not very often you hear about this comment. So I love that. Nice soda.
Yeah, it's like sometimes when people win the lottery, they all of a sudden get into money that they just don't have a clue what to do with it, and they just get nervous from it. And
What's
uh,
happening? They haven't realized it yet, and so they burn all the money like just one snap. So yeah,
some people do, yeah. Some people think that winning 100,000 is life changing, and you could go spending like crazy, but you realize quickly that 100,000 after tax and everything, um, you can burn it quite quickly if you want to. So yeah, those people get guidance. But yeah, if you're lucky in crypto and you bought Bitcoin for 2.5 cents and you're still holding, then how do you deal with that? Like,
yeah.
you were a poor bastard when you started. Now you're a rich bastard, but that doesn't mean that you're any more financial savvy and know what to do with all the money that you're sitting on. It's like,
Yeah. Again, it's all about risk management and the right discipline and method. So yeah,
so
you
so that
keep,
says that I can view your portfolio on trading. I would need to know your email address, but I don't. So at least not off the top of my head. But no, I'm not going to share anyone's portfolio. That's not what we're doing here. We don't even look at it. We normally just look at trades if you have an issue, but under no circumstances will we share portfolio details with anyone. We don't show trades that you've taken to anyone unless you tell us to do so. Come on, let's get a little bit of volatility in.
like the comment from Swenny as well. You can divide your portfolio and make a small separate portfolio for smart money trades. So it's good advice. I agree. I mean, I personally do that.
Me too. Hey, look at this. Look at this.
Oh, here we go. Magnet is working. Let's move up.
Stop loss. Remove this target. Stop loss. Definitely to break even. I don't care what happens. It's the end of the stream. I'm not going to go down. We might lose it immediately. It's so fast. And we get another one here. Let's see, get the middle line. I'm just going to be taking a little bit off because, yeah, like I said, it's the end of the stream. Gun to my head. I've taken trades. Let's see if we can close them all in profit or break even. I'd be happy with that. Let's just, I mean, we're locking in the profit right now. It looks like lab was sold. Oh well. It looks like break even, or
Let me double check again. A small profit, some cents. Yeah, 50 cents. No, 15 cents.
yeah, I did put it on break even, so that makes sense. It started out nice. It's always this 430 line, isn't it? Is that
Yeah.
market opening in US or something?
It was open already at the time. Just I don't know if there is more volatility than earlier lunchtimes. Ooh.
This is a classic case. Oh well, let's see if we can do better with this one. We're out, right? Why is this position odd? I don't have any position. Then why are you still open? Some kind of calculation. If it was still open, then we would see anyone coming in. But it's not. Oh, but what a trade. It's our profit level. Too soon with the lock-in. Too soon.
Look,
This is that gone to the head, right?
because our time is almost gone. That's why. That is the reason.
I mean,
why.
yeah, I would never have placed it here if it wasn't 5 o'clock for me already. I wouldn't, because I still
Right?
wait for this price
Right.
to go down here, right?
If it was at the beginning of the streaming, I'm pretty sure that
Oh
you
yeah,
keep it,
yeah.
let it go.
We would have given it all the space that it needed.
So it's fine, man. It's fine.
I hope people will understand. But we need to get that 1% per day. So
Oh, look at this. Look at this. So we are definitely over 1%. Just maybe lock this trade.
yeah, we'll lock it in.
So
I mean, I can even set it to follow. No, not follow take profit. Follow price.
follow the price.
Oh, no, we might need to lock it in early.
Let's see this candle.
24 seconds left of this candle, maybe also of this stream. In case you're wondering, what did you just do? I set up a follow take profit or follow stop loss. Stop loss will move up as this price moves up, increasing our profits as we go. Obviously, it does need to touch it first, otherwise we don't. Come on. Come on.
Let's go. It's time. It's time to fly. There is strength. There is strength.
%, 25 minutes.
I like this move. Is charging the spring for the next move up.
Yeah, but it's outside the Bollinger Band, so it's gonna have a little bit of a retest, and I think I'm just gonna close it right now because it's time, and it's just time. So it could probably have gone like the move is probably like so like that, but I'm not gonna wait for it. And if I had time, I would, but I don't, so I'm not gonna wait for it. So we kind of have our final profit.
Yeah, let me see. Let
Let's
me
wait
refresh
for the
the
system to have registered
positions.
it all. There we go.
Oh,
One.
nice.
Yeah.
1.40.
So hey, let's give our
Clap your hands. Over 1%. Okay. Three, tr- three trades today, 1.37. Okay, quick recap for today. Ben did 3 trades, 100% win rate, PNL 1.37%.
well, that deserves an applause. Even
Nice.
if I give it to myself. Yes. First day back, and we've already recovered a little bit of the loss that we incurred last time. Not bad, because the 1% are increasing. When we started, 1% was like 170. Now 1% is 2.4. So 1.4% is like $3 profit. We're slowly growing. We're slowly growing. The goal was 1,000 by the end of the year, right?
Yeah. Road to 10,000.
The road to 10.
Road to 10,000.
Okay, let me change the leverage to 100 because that
Okay.
we're never gonna make that.
Just wipe out idiot. No, for 2026, for this year.
Yeah. Shall we have a look at lab? The exact move that we said it would, but yeah, early lock-in just cost. Uh, oh well, you know what? There's always next week, right? There is always next week. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining in on the chat. Always appreciate it. Always like to discuss things. And let's see you on the next stream next Tuesday. Thank you, Rafa. It was a good session again. Nice to have you back.
Yeah, thanks, Bang. Thanks, everyone, and see you next time.
Bye bye.